Hello and welcome. Our topic for the day is using the midpoint formula, finding an endpoint. To understand the concept, let's look at some examples. The first question says solve -1, -5 is the midpoint between -4 and 2 and another point. Find the other point. Here we are given the midpoint and one endpoint, and we have to find the other one. So let us put it like this. Let the other endpoint be x2, y2, and the midpoint is in between, so that is -1, -5. So this is our x1, this is our y1, this is x, and this is y. So we have to find out x2 and y2. As per the midpoint formula, x equals to x1 plus x2 divided by 2, and the y coordinate of the midpoint is y1 plus y2 divided by 2. Here we will be plugging our values. We know x is -1, x1 is -4, plus x2 we have to find out divided by 2. We cross multiply. 2 times -1 is -2 equals to -4 plus x2. Now we add a 4 on both sides. -2 plus 4 equals to -4 plus 4 plus x2. So this -4 plus 4 becomes 0. Therefore x2 equals to 4 minus 2, which is equals to 2. Now let's find out y2. We know the value of y is -5. y1 is 2. y2 we have to find out divided by 2. So now we get -10, we cross multiply, equals to 2 plus y2. We subtract 2 on both sides to find out the value of y2. This becomes 0. -12 equals to y2. So the other endpoint x2 and y2 is nothing but 2, -12, which is option B. Let's look at the next question. It says solve -2, 3 is the midpoint between 1 and -3 and the other point. Let the other point be x2 and y2, and the midpoint is -2, 3. So this is x1, y1, x, y, and x2 and y2 to find out. So x equals to the value of x1 plus x2 divided by 2. My x is -2 equals to 1 plus x2 divided by 2. We cross multiply. x2 plus 1 equals to -4. We subtract 1 on both sides and we get x2 equals to -4 minus 1, which is equals to -5. So now y is given by y1, that is -3, plus y2 we have to find out divided by 2. Y has the value of 3 equals to -3 plus y2 divided by 2. We cross multiply. y2 minus 3 equals to 6. We add a 3 on both sides. y2 equals to 6 plus 3, which is equals to 9. So I have x2 as -5 and y2 as 9. So my other endpoint becomes -5, 9, which is the answer in option B. Let's look at the next example. Solve 2 and 4 is the midpoint between 3 and 5 and the other point. Here again x2 and y2 are the other point, and x and y is 2, 4. So x is given by x1 plus x2 divided by 2. Now my x1 is 3, y1 is 5, x is 2, y is 4, and x2 and y2 are to find out. X equals to 2, x1 is 3 plus x2 divided by 2. We cross multiply. X2 plus 3 equals to 4. Subtracting 3 from both sides, I get x2 equals to 4 minus 3, which is equals to 1. Now y is given by y1 plus y2 divided by 2. Y is given the value of 4. Y1 is 5 plus y2 we have to find out, divided by 2. Cross multiply. Y2 plus 5 equals to 8. Subtracting 5 on both sides, y2 equals to 8 minus 5, which is equals to 3. So my other endpoint becomes 1 comma 3, which is option C. I hope using the midpoint formula now you can find out the other endpoint. Thank you and have a nice day.